Hi everyone, I'm Wiebke. Behind today's door of our advent calendar you meet Joe, the owner of 44 vintage cars and the company Oldie Garage, where you can rent these amazing vintage cars for any type of nice event. So let's have a chat with Joe about this. Let's go. Honestly, I'm overwhelmed by all those fantastic and amazing cars. Out of those cars, could you pick your personal favorite?
We're standing nearby my favorite. This is an old Opel Rekord P2 from 1962. And my father had such a car.
It's still working, still functioning.
Yes.
Now speaking mice groups, with the 44 vintage cars that you own, how would you operate, or what was the biggest group that you've ever operated?
The largest group were 180 guests from Russia. And it works perfectly.
That sounds amazing. And I've been told you have a little something for us. What's a souvenir you can give to us and what's the story behind it?
Yes, I have a very special giveaway. It's a quartet with our cars. There are 42 in. This is the third edition. Next year comes the fourth edition with new cars.
So we look forward to the fourth edition. Thank you so much for having us here today. It was amazing around those cars. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.